So my girlfriend got drunk last night and texted me this. Babe, yes, when butterflies are in love, do they feel humans in their stomach? To be fair, it's a very valid question. This is how Mercedes-Benz advertised their strong headlight. Oh wow, cool. Now I can actually become blind when driving at night. What did you do this weekend? Local man was paralyzed after eating 413 chicken nuggets. Ah, okay. So the limit is 412. I understand it now. Me checking electric bill, please don't be high. Electric bill. Hehehehehe. Boss, if you're quitting, then I'll need a minimum of 2 weeks notice. Me, oh trust me, you'll notice when I'm not here. You've never known true pain until you've slid down one of these on a hot day. Me when I realized that bananas without the B is pineapple. OMG. Now this is the reason why women live longer than men. What is this? An insect. What type? A green one.